Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Binance wallet address. So first, you need to go right here on your Google Chrome and search for Binance.com. And you want to go here on dashboard and you need to make sure that you log in your verified account, as you can see on your screen right now. Then to get your wallet address, you can go right here on wallet option right there at the top right of your screen beside that deposit. You can go and then click this overview right here, the first option, and then right here you will find this crypto deposits. You just click that one and wait for a few seconds, and finally right here you can select your coin. So for example, I will select this BTC coin or Bitcoin, and then go right here on select network. This is very important to get the correct network. Then for example, I'll choose this BTC as or a Bitcoin right here. So click this one, BTC, and then here as you can see, no Bitcoin deposit address, so get that address. So you will find the QR code right here and you can copy that address right there and you can paste anywhere on your social media platform. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.